Hi everyone, so I am going to show you how to make these super cute mini infinity loop bows. Can't get my words out today. So infinity loop bows. So how cute are these in the 9mm or 3/8 ribbon, depending on, like I said, whether or not you're UK or US. But they're so cute and they don't use a great deal of ribbon. So I've just got some little pieces here. All the measurements are in the description below anyway. But this is 2 times 21 centimeters. So as you can see, 2 times 21. It's pinned in the middle, and I have heat creased it at 3.5 centimeters from each end, as you can see. And I'm just going to take my lighter and we're just going to seal our ends together in the blue clear bit, the flame, and pinch. Same this side. Make sure that it's unsealed when you do this as well, otherwise 2 sealed ends don't join together. You want 2 raw and then pinch to get them to join, and this is just so when you're making it, makes it slightly easier. Okay, and then we need 1 13cm piece of ribbon, and this is for lining your clip. And we're using a 60mm clip. So I'm going to take this one and we'll do this bit first because this is a nice simple bit. Heat seal this. Little bit of glue there. Flip your clip open so you've got this ridge. Make sure you've not overdone your glue. And hold that down a couple of seconds, and then I use my clips because we're going to use this as a guide to get them to pop in there like this. So I want a bit of glue either side, but don't overload it, you only want a little bit. You want enough for the ribbon to stick, but not so much that you've got like tons of glue and it's going to bulk up. So there you go. And then with your point of this, I press it down and I just tap it against there, and then I put my thumb in to hold the ribbon in place that's just been glued, and then glue across here. And then pull this tight and use your finger to smooth it down because we don't want a ridge or anything like that. We can cut this down a little bit. Again, heat seal, we don't want any frays on our clip. A little bit of glue here. And then fold that over. There you go, one nicely lined clip. Then we've got this bit, centre is pinned. We're going to fold it over and work from this direction, and then we take this side in where that crease is, and bring this so it goes directly over that pin, but it's still on the same layer. And then we're going to take this side and we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to bring it in so that our creases line up with that pin, and then we're going to move the clip. Now this one, it will curve that tail in there round, and then I take this pin from the centre and pop that right in the middle here, and this is a look you will have. So this little outside layer, and then it's sandwiched together like this. And then we're going to take our needle and thread, and this is just a tacking stitch, just so we can sort it out. And I have made a 1.5-inch ribbon version of this, so it's the same principle as what we did on this one. Here's the big version. So we're doing a similar thing that we did on this, we're just doing a tacking stitch so that we can twist. So where that pin is, you can take that out. Just a tack stitch. Cut that side off. Cut that side off as close to the pieces as you can. And then I'm just going to re-thread my thread. We don't need a lot of thread for this. It's just a couple of tacking stitches because we're not going to cinch the bow or anything like that. It's just to hold everything in place once we've got our loops settled where we want them. Because with on the smaller ones made with this smaller ribbon, the 9mm, we don't tend to cinch them because cinching tends to make them sort of move out of place and not look as nice as they can. Whereas it's needed on the bigger sizes. So there we go. Now what we can do, depending on which way you like, I like it so my tail goes up this way. So with the one that's in, you want to pull that one here and twist this round. So did you see I pulled that one down and we're twisting this one up? You want to get it so that this tail is over this one and this tail is still lining up with this. So we started like this, as you can see, with that tail which was tucked in, and then we've loosened that one and we've twisted it so we've got this figure 8 look like this. And then we're going to take the needle and thread again, and from above, from where that triangle point this side is, we're just going to do 4 little stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one is going to go through the triangle this side. And then I'll just do a little one, mind your loop, little one back through there, and then you can cut that off and move that out of the way. So you get this, and then I'm going to curve this round. And heat seal your end, and we're going to curve this one round as well. There we go. So that's the look you've got at the moment. Now with your clip, what I like to do is I like to line it up so that the line of this bit lines up with the clip. So we're going to put our glue here. There. Take the bow, line it up so our points are even like this, and then I've got a little matching bit of 9mm, and we're just going to wrap this around the clip for security. And then we're going to do a knot centre to hide our stitch placement. So pop it at the same angle as the bow, as you can see there, and then bring it round. We're only going to do this once because, like I said, just to keep that nice and anchored. Heat seal this end, glue here. Open that up. There we go. Not quite tight enough. Hold it for a second. And then you can adjust your loops like this. And then if you want a little knot, use a little piece of ribbon, and I do about 7 centimeters. It's just enough so you've got enough to knot it. Make a fish loop like this, and then pull one side through. And then what you want to do is you twist both. You want it so you get a nice point like this and a flat this side. Heat seal your ends. And then you want a drop of glue on that flat piece. Line that over your clip. And then we're just going to glue these round the centre. Touch of glue either side. Open your clip. Glue. Glue. Line your fingers. And there you go. Super cute 9mm infinity loop bow. You can make them either direction, and as you can see I've made mine in super cute. I've got gold and silver edged versions, and the ribbon is all from Love Your Crafts, and I'll put the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, bye.